Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Let's know about Shrikanteshwara Swami Temple, Nanjangudi. The Nanjandeshwara Temple, also known as the Shrikanteshwara Temple, is an ancient Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. It is located in the pilgrimage town of Nanjangudi in Karnataka, India. Let's delve into the fascinating story and history associated with this sacred temple. Legend of Nanjandeshwara. The name Nanjandeshwara translates to the god who drank the poison, Halhala. This name has its origins in the legend of the great churning of the ocean of milk, Samudra Manthan. According to Hindu mythology, during the churning process, a deadly poison called Halhala emerged from the ocean. It threatened to destroy the entire universe. Lord Shiva, in his compassion, consumed the poison to save both the gods, Devas, and demons, Asuras. His throat turned blue due to the poison, and he became known as Neelkantha, the blue-throated one. The town where this divine act occurred was named Nanjangudi, signifying the abode of the god Nanjandeshwara. Sage Parshuram's guilt and redemption. Sage Parshuram, after beheading his mother as per his father Sage Jambagni's orders, sought to undo his sins from Matruhatya, matricide. Following Sage Narada's advice, Parshuram reached Garlapuri, present-day Nanjangudi, and prayed to Sri Nanjandeshwara Swami. While clearing shrubs with his axe, Parshuram accidentally hit the Shivlinga, causing it to bleed. Overwhelmed with guilt, he prepared to end his life. Lord Shiva appeared and advised Parshuram to build a mantpa, pavilion, and perform puja to the Shivlinga. This act of devotion redeemed Parshuram from his sins. Temple architecture. The 9-storied Gopuram, gateway tower, of the temple stands tall at 120 feet. It was built by Devaraja Manni, the queen of Mysore King Krishnaraja Vadiyar III. The temple's Dodda Jatre festival attracts thousands of devotees. During the fair, colorful chariots are pulled by devotees along a path called the Ratha Bidi. Nearby, you'll find the Parsurma temple, further enriching the spiritual significance of the area. Historical contributions. The temple's history dates back to the Western Ganga dynasty, 9th to 10th century AD, and later, the Chola dynasty made architectural contributions in the 11th century. The Hosla kings also added to the temple structure, including the Hosla pillars and the dancing Ganpati statue from the 13th century. Even during the reign of Tipu Sultan, the temple played a significant role. His royal elephant regained its vision after performing rituals here for 48 days 12. The Nanjandeshwara temple stands as a testament to devotion, redemption, and the eternal presence of Lord Shiva. If you like this video, please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.